Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find your USDT BEP20 wallet address on Bybit, perfect for deposit for Binance or Trust wallet using the Binance Smart Chain. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Bybit application. After logging in, click on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Now click on the Deposit button. Now tap on the Deposit Crypto button. In the deposit window, type USDT, tap on the USDT tether. Now it will ask you to choose a network, select BEP20, that's the Binance Smart Chain network. Make sure the sending wallet or exchange also supports BEP20 or your funds could be lost. After selecting the network, you'll see your USDT BEP20 wallet address along with a QR code. Just copy the address or scan the QR code from your wallet app to make the transfer. And that's it. Now you have got your USDT BEP20 address on Bybit ready for deposit. Use this when transferring USD from wallets like Binance. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.